In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock and unlock a text box in Canva. If you're working on a design with multiple elements, it's very easy to accidentally move, edit, or change a text box without meaning to. Locking a text box is a simple way to protect your layout and keep everything exactly where you want it. This is especially helpful when your design is nearly finished and you just want to avoid small mistakes while working on other parts of the page. To begin, open your Canva design and click on the text box you want to lock. Make sure the correct text box is selected before moving on, because Canva will only lock the element you currently have active. Once it's selected, look up at the top toolbar. You'll see the lock icon there. Click that lock icon to lock the text box. As soon as you do that, your text is now locked. That means you won't be able to accidentally move it, change the wording, or edit it while working on other elements in your design. This can save time and prevent frustration, especially if you've already positioned the text perfectly and don't want anything to shift out of place. If you ever need to make changes later, unlocking it is just as quick. First, select the locked text box, then go back to the top toolbar and click the lock icon again. Once you do that, the text box will be unlocked and you'll be able to edit it normally again. This is a very simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you're creating presentations, social media graphics, flyers, or any design with several layers. It helps you stay organized and gives you a little more control as you work. A helpful tip is to use locking whenever you finish a piece of your design that you know you don't want to change right away. That way, you can focus on the remaining elements without worrying about disturbing the finished parts. And if something seems uneditable, it may just be locked, so checking the lock icon is always a good habit. That's all there is to it. Lock the text box when you want to protect it, and click the same icon again whenever you're ready to unlock and edit it. Once you get used to this feature, it becomes a fast and useful part of your Canva workflow.